Hello, in this video I'm going to be talking about how to be able to use the instance segmentation tool and how to use the polygon tool. Alright, so the difference between the object detection and instance segmentation is that with the bounding box, what occurs is that when you want to select an object, you see all this extra space around the object. We don't want that with segmentation. So what segmentation does differently, let's remove that, is that you can use multiple tools to actually do segmentation. You can use the polygon tool, so you can go around the entire object. It's a bit more tedious because it's more accurate, but here it's just rough. It's kind of trash right now, but basically it goes around the entire object, and there are multiple ways of doing this. And so, like I just said, you can use the polygon tool, and we can also use this tool right here. So basically it acts like a paintbrush, and you go around the entire vehicle like this. And you can change the brush size, so then you can finish it faster. So once you get the outside edges, you can finish this part really easily. Alright, so then we press convert up here, and there we go. We have this shape right here, and it goes around quickly. And there's another tool, the Dexter tool. So for this, you would select 4 points on the object, and there you go. It would create a mask over the object, and you would just press convert, and there you go. You would have that, and you would click done. Alright, so for the next tool we have, alright, here, let's go for a different image. This one will work well. So for the Graphql tool, how it works is that, like a bounding box tool, you would just create a square around it, but the difference is it will select the object itself, as in it won't just select a entire box, but the actual thing itself, like here. So now you can see that we selected a bush and 2 people in the background. To get rid of that, you would either select a negative stroke or a positive stroke. So what does a negative stroke do? Well, basically it'll cover up anything you don't want in the segmentation. So you just go over it, and you can change this a little bit. Take that part out, and then here we have a little bit of shadow. We don't want that, so it'll apply the grab cut. And yeah, it's a little bad, but here we can just press convert, and there we go, we got it. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it for the instance segmentation tool, and in the next video we'll be talking about the semantic segmentation tool.